Hi everyone, welcome back to my English channel. I'm Hazrat, English with Hazrat. Today, I'm gonna show how to pronounce the months of the year and the days of the week in English correctly. The months of the year. First, we have January, February. We don't need the pronouns after the B. February. March. In British pronunciation, R is silent here. March. April. Not April. Some people say April, but we say April. May. June. July. August. Not August, like O long vowel sound. August. September. Ending the word R is silent here. September. In the same case, October. November. Same thing, R is silent here. November. And the last one is December. No R at the end. December. Okay. Again, you can say with me. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. Now we have known 12 months of the year, and next we have the days of the week. Well, let's go to practice the days of the week. Monday. Here we have O actually U sound. Monday. Then we have Tuesday. Not Tuesday, just say Tuesday. Wednesday. Not Wednesday, just we say Wednesday. In this word, D or D, completely silent here. Wednesday. Thursday. In British pronunciation, R is silent, and put your tongue in between your teeth to make the sound Thursday. The next one we have Friday. Okay, next Saturday. Also R is silent, and we have Sunday. Okay, You can say with me, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you first time visiting my channel, please like and subscribe to get the next video. And comments in the description box below. You can connect all of my social media. I have got my Facebook, I have got my YouTube. I will see you soon for another episode. Thank you.